WD-40 is awesome because we have this squeaky fan on the top of our chicken shed, which is where I am right now. As you can hear, it's very squeaky. So that's what I'm going to try to do today. Just try to fix this. Because this thing, you always forget about it until the wind blows. And then you don't forget about it anymore. So I'm just going to try to find points here. Try to spray in. Okay, this thing is so squeaky. Okay, I just put some inside there. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. I don't see where. There's something on the inside that I can't see. This is right above our chicken shed. So, that's probably gonna be it. It could work. Oh, it doesn't squeak anymore. Here we go. How to fix a squeaky fan with some amazing WD-40. This stuff is awesome. Thank you, WD-40.